windy in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roanoke, Trophy Club, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Coppell, The Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Roanoke, Crum and Pilot Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.